Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review of the Hux World. And today is Sunday. We made it back home from mom's house. We got spoiled, we ate good, we had fun. I really enjoyed myself. Thank you all for the blessings and the traveling mercies to make it there and make it back safely. I appreciate your loving care. Thank you, and thank you. All right, you all, it's time to get on the Monday work edition. Watch face. Listen, the Monday grind must continue. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some freebies for you. This is free for the taking for a limited time only, so make sure you go download right after the video. Now this watch face is by SSOM, and the name of the watch face is called Electro 4. So let's take a look at it. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as you do when the watch face is on. It's going to look different than that of the Gears 2, but they both give you everything that's most important: time, step status info. What else could you ask for? Now when the watch face is on, if you look at the top, you will get your digital time. You come down, you got a moon phase. You're going to get info on your heart rate, steps, calories burned, floors climbed, things of that nature. You come down, you're going to get info on your battery. You come across, you're going to get your step info. All the way down at the bottom, you got the days of the week, and it's got a little red dot right up under to let you know what day of the week it is. I like that. And then you get your month and your date. So I'm thinking this is a good look, but this is definitely a fun watch face, a everyday watch face, and this is definitely perfect for the work week. Let's check it out. Now, if I double tap on the moon phase, I can customize the color of the watch face. And you see I'm riding on low sale as always, and just cycle through. You get 14 different colors in all. You get some solid colors. I thought the developer did a real good job with this fun watch face, and I say it's worth the download, especially considering that it is free. I say don't waste your time. All right, you all, we got one more watch face to review, so hold tight. It is number 2. I like this one. I like the layout. I like the design. This one is getting played tomorrow. Now the name of the watch face is called Electro 1. I'm loving the look. I'm loving the design. Very different. And in the always on mode, you're going to get 2 different looks. I need for you to let me know which one you like better, the one on the Gears 2 or the Gears 3. I'm going to choose the one on the Gears 2. I like this look. Now once the watch face is on, again, the layout is a lot better on this one than it is on the first one. And the time, I like the way the color brings out, well, the background color brings out the time a little bit better. And right up under it this time, you get the month. Dead center, you get your day and your date. Flanked on both sides, you get information for your battery on the left. On the right, you're going to get your step goal completed. Down at the bottom, of course, you get step info, calories burned, your heart rate, miles walked or ran, everything you can need for your exercise and status info. I'm liking this watch face. It gives you everything you need, and it is interactive. So if you tap right there, you can get more information on your step stats. And over here, of course, your goal completed, battery info, of course, and then if you tap right here on the time, you can set an alarm. So this watch face is definitely very useful. And if I tap here, I believe I can change the color of the watch face, and I'm loving the colors. The color is very vibrant, very nice. Just double tap right here, and you got 14 different colors to change to. We're going to cycle through most of them and give you an idea of what you're going to be in for once you download this watch face. Very nice. Very different. What do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Enjoy the free watch faces out of the Gear Manager store. This one here is going to be located on the home page. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please, by all means, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.